Hello friends, and welcome back to the floor. Today I have another unboxing for you. Now today we are not unboxing Lolita, but something a little different from Ami Ami. Now if you're not familiar, Ami Ami is a figurine sales website, so today I am unboxing a figurine. And from the title you probably know that I am unboxing a huge Madoka Magica figure. As you might know from previous videos, Madoka Magica is my favorite anime of all time, and I have a very extensive figure collection of which I made a video on and I will link up above for you guys. So today we are adding another beauty to my collection. Let's get into this box. So the box arrived while I was in the middle of filming another video, which I will also link above for you guys. It's a video on how to make wearing Lolita more comfortable, very useful. So my husband brought this box up to me and I absolutely could not wait to open it. So I got out of my Lolita outfit from that previous video and came right in here to open this. Okay, box is open. Let's see what we have inside. It has been a long time since I have purchased a figurine, so this is extra exciting for me. Inside here, it looks like we just have a cute little pamphlet paper from Ami Ami. We don't need that. Okay, let's get in here. Ooh. So here she is in the box. The box itself is obviously quite large. This is a large figure. It is 1/4 scale. Usually the other figures that you have seen in my collection are 1/8. So this is much bigger. This is like as big as my body. So this box is huge. Here is what the front of it looks like. We've got, okay, so here's what the figure looks like on the side here. She's super cute. We have some more images of her on the back, and then the other side here is just more of the same. So they are formally calling this the Madoka Magica bunny ears version. It is, I guess, based off of some designs that came from the Madoka Rebellion movie project, probably something unused from the movie itself. So I'm super excited they came out with this design in figure form, and let us free her from this box. So as normal, the box here has some clear stickers that keep the lid closed. I'm going to carefully cut those open. I like to keep all my boxes from my figurines in case I need to move them. As we did just move into this new house, it was very useful to have the boxes. Oh, she's huge! Oh my gosh! Look at just the top of her inside this box here. And that was my cat. Hopping in the cardboard box that she came in. So even just at first sight, this thing is giant. The biggest figure I have right now is my 1:1 scale Cube figurine. This might be bigger than that. In fact, I'm pretty positive it is. Let's slide her out of the box. Okay, so here she is in her little plastic casket. So the inside of the box does have this nice printed paper on the inside for her. Okay, so I definitely want to just go ahead and get her out of here. Jeez, that's secure. Okay, so the base just popped out. She's got a clear base with 2 little pegs for her feet here, it looks like. All right, so the lid is off. I can go ahead and grab her out of here. Oh, she's heavy. Oh, she's really heavy. Okay, so she's definitely got quite a bit of protective plastic on and around her little bits and bobs. We've got some on the arms here. Okay, I think that's all from her body. It looks like she's wearing little pants. Little plastic pants. I think these should just be able to slide right off over her shoes. Yep, no problem. Okay, wow, she's huge. Look at her next to my head. She's like the size of my head. So here she is right out of the box. Her bunny ears are chopped off right now, but she is already so cute. I love the ribbon on the back. She's holding it here in the front, you can see. Let's get her on her stand. Okay, so her front foot here plugs in normally. You can see on the back foot though, there is some distance between her foot and the peg. In the packaging, you will get this clear little like riser for her foot that you have to add. Okay, there we go, easy peasy. She's all plugged in. Oh, okay, I see. So these little like nubby guys here actually will pop right out. So I guess if you don't want her to have the bunny ears, these are just like little placeholders for her to travel with. But you can have her without the bunny ears, but I want to add them, so let's go ahead and do that. Oh, there we go. So cute. It's springtime when I'm opening her, so this is perfect for the spring weather and all the flowers coming out, and she is just darling. So here she is. I will, of course, have some nicer close-ups of her, but here she is just in like normal lighting. As you can see, she is gigantic. I think she measures at about 16 inches tall. I'm excited to see how she looks next to some of my other figures, just for size comparison. So here she is compared to one of my 1/8 scale figurines. The size comparison is just insane. Here she is all the way up here, and here is a little Madoka all the way down here. Just so you can see a normal size figurine over here and just how huge she is. And just for another fun size reference, here she is next to my 1:1 scale Cube figurine. As you can see, he is also large in his own right, but she absolutely still towers over him. So here is my figure case in my office. This is where she is going to be living for the time being. I will likely get her a protective like plexiglass box case to go over her, just so she's extra protected up there. But I love how she looks on top of my other figures, and I would really love to add some more like display pieces around her, maybe get like a background for her up there, but here's where she's gonna be living. That's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by today for my Madoka Magica 1/4 scale figure unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. She is so beautiful. I am so happy to have added her to my collection, and I can't wait to get even more huge figures. If you enjoyed my unboxing, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I will definitely have more anime figure related content coming in the future. Again, thank you so much for spending some time with me on my channel today, and I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, guys. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!